In this video, you will learn how to make a Paycom account. First, receive your invitation. Your employer will send you an email containing a link to begin the onboarding process. Make sure to verify your identity. Click on the link in the email and verify your identity by entering a 6-digit code via text message or automated phone call. Set up login credentials. Choose a username, either your email or a custom one, and create a secure password. You can also select and answer security questions for account recovery. Complete personal information. Enter your full name, date of birth, social security number, and contact details. Make sure all your information is accurate to avoid any payroll or benefit issues. Add emergency contacts. Provide at least one emergency contact with their full name, relationship, and phone number. Set up direct deposit. Enter your bank account details for direct deposit and confirm if your employer has already inputted the information correctly. Review and submit. Double check all the information you have entered, then submit and complete your setup. Once your account is set up and complete, log into Paycom using your credentials through the app or mobile app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.